Yo, VIP. Let's kick it.
Man, I'm bored.
Me too. What should we do?
Hey guys, I know what we can do. What's that? Cool things in nature.
Sup, dog? Ice Cube.
McFlurry.
I'm Flaky Fresh.
Uh-oh, here comes Iceberg. Hey McFlurry, what's the topic of the day? Snow. And you know what that means? What? Snow dudes! Snow dudes! We have dove deep into the depths of the forest. Snow is great for tracking. Look at these deer tracks. Look at them. So close. Now we can tell where the deer has gone.
In the winter, snow provides protection for countless numbers of animals, including the sharp-tailed grouse.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't eat that. That's snert.
What are you doing? What is snert?
Snert is dirty snow.
That's disgusting.
Don't eat it. Hey, Gwen, what you doing?
Eating snow.
Is that yellow snow?
I think so.
Don't eat that. Ah! That's disgusting. The only yellow snow you can eat is made from a snow cone. Ah! Hey, Flaky Fresh. Want to tell us about snowflakes? Snowflakes.
Way back in the day, in 1887, someone recorded a 15-inch snowflake.
Oh my
What?
goodness, that's a huge snowflake.
And it's true.
How
True.
big is 15 inches?
This big. It's almost as big as your face.
Oh my goodness, that is a huge snowflake.
See all the snow we have here? Just kidding, it's actually not a lot. Because about 15 years ago in Washington, they had a record of 95 feet of snow. It's quite a lot for Minnesota and Wisconsin. So Flaky, tell me some more about snow.
Well, no two snowflakes are the same, but every single one has 6 sides.
Really?
Really? So fun.
We love snow.
Snow can be so fun.
We love snow!
Hey, Katie, what you doing? I got my tongue stuck in the pool. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's unfortunate. Should I try helping it off? Yeah. Okay. All right, I'm gonna pull on the count of 1. 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Get to the top of it.
Yeah, you made it.
You made it to Mount Everest.
How does it feel?
We can be like, snow can be dangerous. We walk it and be like.
Wait, do you guys have any? All right, so we've got iceberg. Did you just record that?
We can have a solo fight. Be like, snow can be fun, and then have.
Ooh, can I do that again? I can't talk.
Should I say, in 1976, Albert Einstein. Just kidding.
You can fall at the end.
You're a
Hey,
pro.
Hang on. Not running, sorry. Ready?
How's it working out for you?
Real good. Gwen. That's winning.
This is what conserve school students do when they're bored.
In the snow.
Which is fun.